Welcome to this Pennsylvania house on 5 acres, offering the perfect combination of privacy, space, and country charm. Tucked away in a serene setting, this property provides a peaceful retreat while still being conveniently close to town amenities. Timeless farmhouse character. The inviting living room showcases beautiful hardwood floors, a wood-burning stone fireplace, and a built-in cabinet, creating a warm and welcoming space. It's perfect for cozy evenings or hosting gatherings in a charming country atmosphere. Upstairs, 3 generously sized bedrooms provide comfort and privacy, complemented by a beautifully renovated full bathroom. Each room balances modern updates with classic farmhouse appeal, offering a home that is both functional and stylish. Outside, enjoy the covered rear porch, a fenced yard, and plenty of open space for outdoor activities. The detached 2-car garage provides ample room for vehicles, storage, or hobbies, adding practical versatility to this Pennsylvania property. This Pennsylvania house is perfect for anyone seeking a serene, country lifestyle without sacrificing modern comfort. Whether it's morning coffee on the porch, weekend barbecues, or simply enjoying the open space, this property is ready to become your private retreat and a true place to call home.